Alright, it's my Swiss Army knife. Obviously you can tell, Swiss Army. I've already got all the things out. It's hard to hold the camera and take all the stuff out at once. It's old. It's got the tweezers. Got the toothpick. Still got everything with it. Let's get to the knife part first. Alright, it's got the pretty sharp knife. Pretty nice knife. That's the knife. It's not really that special. Damn, this tore. That's the knife. Then it's got the guess you could say bottle opener or cap opener. It's got two of those, but one of them's sharp. This one's a sharp one. It's got the screwdriver and a little pokey thing. Where'd it go? Oh, screwdriver right here. Sorry. Oh my. And then this pokey thing. I don't know what it's used for. I didn't find any use for it. But that's that. Then it's got the scissors. They got little ridges on them. They're good for cutting small ropes or something like that. And it's my favorite right here. I've cut down many little trees with it. I mean, and it's a tiny knife. You can still cut down little trees, twigs, branches, things like that. Then it's got the other bottle opener, and you can use it for the top. You can see a screwdriver, flathead, or a tool attachment. And then it's got this thing right here, which is a nail filer or sharpener for your knife. That is my review on my Swiss Army knife. I have the things over there, like I showed you before, and the knife. That is just telling you what everything is on here, and you can add if you like to carry it on your side, you can add a little rope to it or something like that. But that's my Swiss Army knife. Thanks for watching.